chairman of Bharat Dynamics has said that the Indian Ministry of Defence has given export clearance to 9 countries for the sale of the Akash Air Defence System, and the company is having talks with 6 countries that are interested in the air defence system. He also said that the talks will be translated into orders in the next 2 years, as some countries are also seeking transfer of technology for local production of the Akash system. Bharat Dynamics has also offered its AMCA 3-man portable ATGM in the export market, along with Helena helicopter-launched anti-tank guided missile. The armies of India and China have announced that they have begun to disengage in a coordinated and planned way from the patrolling point 15 in the Gogra-Hotsprings area of eastern Ladakh, and the local commanders from both sides are working out the modalities for the subsequent measures. This announcement comes 1 week ahead of the annual summit of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization in Uzbekistan, which will be attended by Prime Minister Modi and Chinese President among other leaders of the grouping. The former Indian High Commissioner to Pakistan has said that the US supplying $450 million equipment for F-16 fighters to Pakistan is a matter of concern, as it gives the neighboring enemy nation an advantage in fighting capabilities. He also said that such capabilities have been used against India in the past, and it is a very clear signal to India that US is giving Pakistan the capabilities to match India. A top Indian analyst have said that providing F-16 equipment to Pakistan for counter-terror efforts is a ridiculous excuse by the Americans. The Aero-engine consortium, including public and private sector companies that will be part of the development of 110 kN engine for the AMCA program, have stressed on the need to have an engine testing infrastructure to make India less dependent on other countries for engine development. India will procure nearly 1,000 engines for its fighter jets that will be made in India, for which it is required to have all testing facilities in place in the next few years, including procurement of a dedicated Aero-engine flying test bed for all future engine programs. Army officials have said that the Indian Army has deployed a significant number of M777 ultralight howitzers, upgraded L70 air defense guns, unmanned aerial vehicles and surveillance equipment in the mountainous regions along the line of actual control in Arunachal Pradesh, that has enhanced India's military preparedness in the northeastern sector. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh held a bilateral meeting with his Japanese counterpart in Tokyo, and the two sides agreed to establish cooperation in military equipment and technology, and conduct the first air combat exercise between the two air forces. Japan has expressed interest to cooperate in the AMCA project and build submarines, and also supply lithium-ion batteries for submarines and other components to construct these platforms. The DRDO chief has said that with the successful completion of user evaluation trials of the QRSAM, it is now ready for induction into the Indian Army. The Mach 4.7 capable QRSAM has a range of 30 kilometers, and it has the capability to search and track targets while moving, and fire on a short halt. The QRSAM has 90% indigenous component, which is projected to increase to 99% in the coming years.